guthondeka thitima na hinya wa kuuma na thii bururi-ini nio GDC ihithuriitie githima kana kia riera ihiu rina uhoti wa gukorwo kiuta megawati 22 mwena wa Paka Hills thiinii wa kauti ya Baringo guku ikiiga bururi muhari-ini wa kugia hinya na kana wa thitima wa bei ya thi na uria makigite ati ni gukorwo giteithiria guthondeka mieke ya mawira orondo muno ko makiguithia garama ya thitima guku bururi-ini.
We've just witnessed the opening of well number where we of what would otherwise be 22 megawatts. And so as we continue investing and getting this kind of hits, 20 megawatts per well, it really profiles Kenya in the right position as an investment destination. So we want to commend the government for the commitment it has made in developing geothermal, but more importantly, as we go forward, because we understand our financial position currently, we want to bring more private investors to support GDC, because what we've been doing, and there are investors who are willing to take a greenfield, work with GDC on a PPP kind of framework, and be able to have a guarantee, or the guarantee that they will convert the steam to power. And therefore, as we develop more of this kind of power, the average cost of power in Kenya is coming down, and it will come down significantly.
Okay, my name is Dr. John Matiu. I'm the Managing Director of KETRACO. Personally, KETRACO plans to do a 197-kilometer line from a point called Losuk, just off Barrel. It'll actually pass very close to this place, go all the way to Lesos. This will allow power that is generated from Paka and the other sites around this place to be evacuated either towards the western part of the country, towards the Lesos, and also to be evacuated back to Lesuk and go down to Suswa. So that's what KETRACO is planning to do. We are currently coming to the tail end, and we hope by December we'll have financial closure so that we spend the next 2 years constructing the line, and hopefully by January 2026 we'll have a transmission line.
My name is Alex Washira, Principal Secretary, State Department for Energy. The reason why we brought the two MDs together today is to ensure that we plan well. We ensure that by 2026, 2027, 2028 moving forward, we do have ready lines to evacuate power that will be generated from Paka. This is our next all carrier frontier.
My name is Felix Kiplagat-Mayo, Deputy Governor, Baringo County. As a county, we are proud to be part of the energy producing counties. And this is a big achievement, to be able to supply power to this nation. We look forward to increasing the cost, increasing the power, the size of power in this country, and hence we'll be able to reduce also the cost of power.
Na tugitigane na icio na riu tukihiuke nginya kuria kaunti